I'm Patrick Reed from the Adamus Principle. Some big news, really. We had this quarter end and month end, a bit of dollar selling right towards the fix, but nothing really to take out other than this dollar train keeps grinding upwards, right? ADP recently, slight miss, but the big story about that is usually ADP doesn't have a significant effect on markets, but because of Good Friday, non-farm falls on the same day. How inconvenient. Maybe there's a more takeout for the ADP figure. So slightly missed on the headline, but a big upward revision to 174 from the previous month from 117. So that's not a bad figure, all truth be said. Certainly didn't stop any of the dollar bulls carrying on. So let's just look at the first chart, euro dollar. Looky here, this 116.96. I think the high was 117.05.06. Really shut the door on it, and we're now sneaking upwards towards this 118.36 area. This is a significant fib. It's the 38.2 on the daily. Now, there's a lot of price action in between this Fibonacci corridor. So between 38.2 and 23.6, it's very sticky. It's very sticky. That means it could be quite slow. If this does break, if this 116.96 does break, it could get really messy for the very big level, the monster level on my chart, which is 115. Call it 114.95 and some change. Next chart. Okay, here we have Aussie dollar. Look, a lot of the crosses are failing. Aussie CAD, Aussie Kiwi, helping Aussie dollar to go lower. Bit of a catch up here. Now, we do need to close below this 75.66. Really, dollars should be bought on dips. I hear, this is obviously just my personal view as well, but the idea that this dollar train is going to give up, especially with yields flirting with 1.7, 1.76, the biggest recipients of that are dollar yen and dollar Swiss, but more on that later. At the moment, Aussie really is quite stubborn, similar to cable. Now, CAC's in PMIs overnight, weaker. Aussie retail sales a touch softer. So this doesn't really look that great. That said, we do need to close below 75.66, and then we might have a go at 74.12. Next chart. Talking of dollar yen, here we are. The rise and rise of dollar yen. It just seems relentless. 10-year yield slightly pausing yesterday, but we just regrouped, and we're now probably going to have a go at this 111, take out some options, and then onward we march at 111.70. That's pretty good level up there, but above that, it's clear water all the way up to 112.18. Let's just see what the market has to say about that, with 10-year yields eyeing up that big fat 2% on the 10. Next chart. Cable, very sticky, very stubborn, not sure it wants to roll over, but if dollar really gets some fire under it, there is no option. We're toying around this trend line up and down, so very indecisive at the moment. And that's about it from me. My name's Patrick Reed from the Adamus Principle. Thank you.